students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Subject is maths and standard third, and the topic name is multiplication. Yes, dear students, this is a multiplication sign. Now today we are going to count the things by using addition and then by using multiplication. Eight apples in each box. See here, there are 8 apples in each box. How many apples in 4 such boxes? We have to count. Means in one box there are 8 apples. Correct? Now in 4 box means we are going to add 8 4 times, isn't it? See here, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is 4 times we added 8, isn't it? Okay, now 4 times 8 means here, in other words, 8 multiplied by 4. Correct? Now 8 4s is 32 or 4 8s are 32. So here altogether we can say there are 32 apples are there. Hence 4 boxes have 32 apples. Got this, students? One notebook costs ₹10. See, this is a notebook. The cost of this notebook is ₹10. Okay. How much will 8 such notebooks cost? See that boy needs 8 notebooks. So how much he has to pay to the shopkeeper? Okay. The cost of one notebook is 10 rupees and he need 8 notebooks. So we are going to add 10 8 times, isn't it? An addition of 10 taken 8 times means, in other words, 10 multiplied by 8. Got this, students? One notebook costs ₹10. So the cost of 8 notebooks. So we are multiplying 10 into 8. See, 10 8s are how much? 80, isn't it? Hence, the cost of 8 notebooks is ₹80. Dear students, here we can see a table. There are 5 columns. See the headings. First one, objects, means things will be there. We have to count them by using addition. Then we will write how many times we added the same number. Okay. Then we will write the same thing in the multiplication form and we will get the answer. That is total number of objects of that kind. Okay. First one. See, you can see here. So many fruits are there. Means space. 3 rows are there. In each row 4 pairs are there. So we are going to add 3 times 4, isn't it? Okay. Now how many times 4 is there? We have written 3 times. Means 4 we have written 3 times. As a multiplication, how to write? 4 3s are, isn't it? Now total number of objects is 12. Because 4 3s is 12. and 4 plus 4 plus 4 is also 12. And if you want to do the verification, you can count the fruits. Everything is same. Now, second one. Here we can see the matchsticks in bundles. Each bundle has 10 matchsticks. Okay. And how many bundles are there? There are 6 bundles. So, we are going to add 10 6 times. Isn't it? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 6 times we added 10. Means here how many times we will write? 10 6 times. Okay. Now as a multiplication we will write 10 multiplied by 6. Then 10 6 is 60. Correct? Means there are 60 matchsticks in 6 bundles. Table is there. For some here we can see the flowers in 4 rows. Each row has same number of flowers. Now we will count one row and then we will add the same number 4 times. In the first row there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers are there. Correct? So in each row there are 6 flowers. Means here 6 we will add 4 times. Correct? Now how many times we added 6? 6. 4 times we added. Now in the multiplication form, 6 4 times is nothing but 6 4s are. Okay? Now what is the answer here? 6 4s are 24. Isn't it? Means there are 24 flowers are there in 4 rows. Next one is there are balls in boxes. See, in each box there are 3 balls. How many boxes are there? There are 8 boxes are there. Here each box has 3 balls, means we are going to add 3 8 times. Correct? Now how we will write? 3 8 times. In the multiplication form we will write 3 8s or 3 multiplied by 8. 3 8s are 24. Isn't it? Means there are 24 balls in 8 boxes and each box has 3 balls. Here you can see bindis or stickers. Okay. In each box, how many bindis are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means 10 bindis or stickers are there in one box. And how many boxes are there? 3 boxes are there. Correct? Means we will write 10 plus 10 plus 10. Isn't it? Then how many times we have written 10? We have written 10 3 times. Then as a multiplication, we will write 10 multiplied by 3. And you know that 10 3s are 30. Isn't it? Means there are altogether 30 stickers are there in 3 boxes. Now dear students, here you can see the crayons. Each box has 3 crayons and there are 5 boxes. Okay, now in addition form we will write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means we have written 3 5 times. So in the multiplication form, 3 multiplied by 5, isn't it? So 3 5s are 15, correct? So there are altogether 15 crayons in 5 boxes. Students, here we will learn the making a multiplication table with the help of addition. Here we can use two known tables to make a unknown table. Okay, we will take a simple example first. I will take here 6 times table means 6 table and 2 times table in the second column. Then we will add these two table numbers. Okay, now we will get 6 plus 2 is 8, isn't it? Means we will get the 8 times table. The same procedure you can use for any table. See, I will write first here 6 times table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. You know this table, correct? Now in the second column we will write 2 table. 2's table, okay? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. Now dear students, we have written 6 times table in the first column and 2 times table in the second column. Now in the third column, we are going to add these two numbers row wise. Okay, see here. In the first row, we will write 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. You know that, correct? Second, 12 plus 4, that is 16. Third, 18 plus 6, that is 24. Now see students, we are adding the number present in the 6 times table and number present in the 2 times table. Now 24 plus 8 is equal to 32. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 36 plus 12 is equal to 48. 42 plus 14 is equal to 56. 48 plus 16 is equal to 64. 54 plus 18 is equal to 72. And 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. Isn't it? Okay. Now we got the table for 8. See, this is 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Got this, students? First we added the two tables and we got the new table. Now dear students, here we got the 8 table, 8 times table. So we added 6 times table and 2 times table. Isn't it? Okay. If we add 5 times table and 3 times table, will we get 8 times table? You know that 5 plus 3 is 8. Correct? Please try that one. Okay. Carry out the following multiplications. 1 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4. See dear students how to read this. 6 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 7, 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, these are the sums. Now we will write the answers for these sums. Okay, 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12, 6 4s are 24, correct? 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9, 4 7s are 28, 8 4s are 32, isn't it? This is called multiplication. Okay. Now dear students, to count small numbers we can use addition. But for greater numbers, addition will become very difficult and it will take more time to count. So, we must have to learn multiplication so that we can count and get the answer within a moment. And multiplication needs tables. So, you must have to learn the tables by heart. Okay? Now in next lecture we will solve some problem sums using tables. And we will also learn some of the important properties of multiplication. Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.